Hi everyone, just popping in here because I'm excited that my second edition of Colouring Botanical Mandalas is out in the world. This book first came out in 2018 and for its 5-year anniversary I wanted to update it. So I have updated the cover, the back cover, and I've actually gone through and redrawn all of the images inside the book to have thicker lines, so they're much easier to colour. I've got rid of the grayscale designs that were in here before, and I've actually ordered everything by season. So let's go and have a look page by page. So hi everyone, I'm absolutely loving this dark cover with the gold writing for my second edition of Colouring Botanical Mandalas. So I've updated the cover and I've also updated the back here. There's 58 seasonal mandala designs and we're going to have a look through each season. So let's get started. So this is my second edition of Colouring Botanical Mandalas, and I've left the intro pages the same as edition 1. So you have the dedication, who the book belongs to, a little welcome, and a new colour test page. You can test out your colours. And I've added extra poems, so before each of the sections you'll find a lovely little poem written by me. So here's the inspired by spring area. So we have lovely flowers like daisies, forget-me-nots, there's the freesia, trillium inspired, and crocus, daffodil, another trillium with some wildflowers, coneflower, the ice plant, another trillium, the poppy, then a couple of designs with multiple flowers, then the daisy, and a dahlia and lotus flower inspired, a bit more of an abstract, a couple of designs and another poem before we get to the summer. So ranunculus inspired, a bit more abstract, a hibiscus, a dahlia, sunflower inspired, garden rose, lavender, passion flower, stargazer lily, the Peruvian lily, the fuchsia, and then a lovely rose, a bit more of a wild rose, the cosmos flower, hydrangea, chrysanthemum, an abstract dandelion, and then a lily pond, another abstract flower design, a lotus, another lovely poem, and then we go into autumn. So here we've got quite a few kind of abstract kind of succulents, and most of the designs are kind of inspired by leaves, and some seed pod designs in here as well, some ferns, many things that you see during the autumn time of the year. I tried to create as much variation as I could to keep it interesting. There's the silver birch tree and another succulent as well. Some seed pods. And then in the winter section, it's mostly really kind of very abstract, kind of winter inspired, Christmas kind of festive designs, the poinsettia. And then we have a little bit more of an abstract design, the holly and the berries and some cones as well. So I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough and I can't wait to get colouring with you all. So thank you so much everyone. All the links and information are below.